we are going to learn about today, we'll talk about the grammar of SATE. The grammar of SATE is mean that conjunction, wow, now, then, something. That means SATE is the conjunction, and we translate to be English. We can say wow, now, then, something. In Japanese, when you use the grammar of SATE, that means you should use the clause. That means you should begin by SATE first and followed by a clause or some sentence. And it has the meaning of wow, now, or then. So let's go to see the example to make more understand about how to use the grammar of SATE. For example, さてどうしよう。さてどうしよう。さてどうしよう。That means, what should I do now? What should I do now? What should I do now? Or you can translate to be like, wow, what should I do now? Or then what should I do now? Something like this. And the next, さて、クイズの時間です。さて、クイズの時間です。Which means, now it's time for a quiz. Now it's time for a quiz. So that means you will see that we have started, and after that we should follow by some sentence, as you see here. And actually, SATE they don't use for writing, such as you write for report or write for some sentence to report about your work, right? Or write for graduation report. They don't use in writing, but actually they use in speaking. When you speak with someone or somebody, you can say SATE. That means wow. どうしよう。どうしよう。What should we do now? Or what should I do now? Something like this. So let's see the next example. さて、昼にしましょう。さて、昼にしましょう。さて、昼にしましょう。That means, well, let's have lunch. Well, let's have lunch. Next example. さて、この人は誰でしょうか。さて、この人は誰でしょうか Which means, then who is this person? Then who is this person? That means, wow, or wow, who is this person? You can say, translate to this. Then who is this person? So I hope that you understand about how to use the grammar of SATE. SATE that means you should use before you when you start the sentence, you should use SATE. And after that, followed by some sentence, some word or some clause or some clause, just depend to you what you want to begin with. But what you have to remember that is mean SATE they don't use in writing for example, writing for report or something like that. They just use in speaking. Thank you much for watching my video clip. And please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next time. ありがとうございました。